Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to show you the updates for Aptos USDT trading pair with my custom request set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I highly recommend you go and read the big post what I shared today in free Telegram channel about the correlation between the gold and Bitcoin. How it played now in history when the gold hit new all-time high and then go into correction. First time it took around 19 months. Bitcoin hit new all-time high after gold all-time high, and in 2020, after gold all-time high going to and after that is going to correction, Bitcoin hit new all-time high after 8 or 9 months. So maybe this time everything will correlate once again with the gold, not with S&P 500. For Aptos, I recommend you also go and check 2 tutorials what I shared before. It's how to work with initiation accumulation pump model. This feed what you see now on the chart, because absolutely all targets, all zones still relevant, and it's playing out perfectly well since technically October 2022. All zones hold the line perfectly well. When you understand what you're doing, you don't need to redraw the charts all the time for engagement, to impress someone. You just stick to your plan, stick to correct zones and work with that zones. Also, I recommend you go and check yesterday video about what I posted about how to work with daily, weekly, monthly, yearly opens. So correction on Aptos can be in Monday. Next week will be the really crucial, because most likely we will see the K movements on a Bitcoin up or down. Only time will show it, because the correction and crazy crash on BTC can be to the yearly targets. So it's around 42K. Yes, sounds weird, but it's possible. It's possible in the next few months, and it's like a magnet. And if the pattern gold BTC will play out and gold go into correction, Bitcoin can start climbing up. So take a look. This is a daily correction for from Monday, for example, can be 991, yearly 941, weekly 873, a monthly can be correction on Aptos still even $7.68. So from this current prices can be the correction like 25%. It's more than okay. Everything will be okay with Aptos. What I don't like this support. This supports zero level till penny tested, right? And usually that 27 block is like sell level. Globally, chart looks pretty good one. Just to be honest, I'm not a fan of all that things around the partnership, around the updates, upgrades, blah blah blah, all that news, guys. Everything priced, everything totally priced. Venture funds, fundraising rounds, all that things is priced before. So that guys definitely know how high they will put that asset this cycle. So of course, I don't think so. The pump from correction, so we not count the listing price. So from this one to this one, 500% is the end of bull run for Aptos. Absolutely not. I don't think so. Technically, this is like weekly equal highs. So that sooner or later, this target will be swept. So we form it like who trade a classic TA, like double bottom. So now we start forming like a double bottom. This top, drop, bounce, equal highs, drop, sweep that low. Take a look. This was a zone for correction. It's $4.13, $3.39. Next step for capitulation, it's $2.34, $1.88. We didn't drop it to that level, but if you accumulate it in in the first zone to buy, you could make like 500%. So everything by plan. And imagine we leave the low in October 2023, and in August 2024 we come back and sweep that low. So this is how the liquidity pools works. And most likely, guys, what I can tell you, in the next bear market, we will go and sweep $3 low. So yes, most likely it will happen. We got that crazy weak candle on the Binance. Of course, everybody talk this like a target, so Aptos should go to $100. I'm not sure. We can, for example, hit 50% of that range. 50% of that week 54 and 65. This is more than possible to see. Of course, if you believe in $100 per Aptos, you can wait it. My target is more conservative price target. We will see that, I think, at the alt season, but not that crazy like previously one. And if we will see one more dump, this will going to be the same accumulation zone. Honestly, I don't think so, and it's no makes sense to drop the Aptos now to $4.38 because of timing. To buy now Aptos or not, it's only up to you. Of course, a zone for accumulation being here or around here. So you got two chances to accumulate Aptos. And zone for capitulation, absolutely everything you know before. Take a look with ADT direction. What I don't like, this is distribution. This is distribution, this distribution. Not so much like this one, but this is definitely not accumulation zone. Direction, no signal to accumulate or sell, nothing. Weekly time frame, monthly time frame, this we just passed the middle line. That time period, it was the accumulation. Pump, correction, accumulation, and we're ready to take off, technically. Daily time frame, we got a few signals for correction once again. What a signal. Take a look. This is a distribution. This is a time to fix some local profit. So at least if you accumulated just a few months ago in August, you could fix now your initial deposit. So 133%. It's more than okay to fix some profit, right? And we can drop. Yes, guys. Unfortunately, if something will happen with the Bitcoin, with the S&P 500, with the gold in the world, the correction for $1, 336. I hope, and I don't think so, we will drop that much because of timing. I believe everything planned before on the market, and we don't have so much time for some alt season or so. If we will, it means yes, this cycle will be longer until 2026. Market movement power. Let's pay attention for the weekly time frame. What is bad? Take a look. It was accumulation. Euphoria, but accumulation. Money inflow. Pump, distribution, and euphoria, money outflow. 1, 2, 3 weeks in a row, money outflow. MACD bearish, divergence. Drop, capitulation, but without money inflow. Pump, now we got a money outflow. So that's kind of bad. My take, of course, I'd rather to see the uptrend, because now a lot of people so bearish. Sentiment now is so bearish. So it's basically the good time to wreck all that short position. This is a sell on the weekly, drop, buy back. So perfect call. Daily time frame. It's technically just for local one. Buy, pump, take profit, sell. No new signal to buy. So that's why, yes, more than okay to see the correction even to $7 on the daily time frame, on altcoins. And the last one is take profit. This is what I also don't like. Take a look, the buy line on the daily. Now it's $4.64. From my wall of the token, it's $3.47. Daily time frame. Weekly time frame, we tested till penny for my wall of the token in August. So of course, the higher time frame, the more important data, and that's why I think we can form that finally double bottom and test this one. Take profit, exit line like this one, sweep that high, form the cup and handle, and go to straight to $35, $40. Then build some consolidation and one more leg up. So this is my take for Aptos. I will share this idea on TradingView, so we'll come back and track it. But guys, technically, I recommend you not skip the post, because all zones, even since zone 22, I showed you before. And all zones still relevant. If you would like to trade with my customer I would have showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.